Vehicle of interest is the section where we save the vehicle the customer is interested in buying. How you complete this part matters because it sets the stage for email templates and all future marketing campaigns for that customer. Let's see what this looks like when you click the tab. Another search bar appears inviting you to search inventory. Simply type some keywords to narrow in on your search, find the vehicle you want to sell, and click on it. This attaches the vehicle to the opportunity and will pull information from the unit into email templates and various future marketing campaigns. Suppose you made a mistake or your customer is looking at a couple of different vehicles. If this happens, you need to search for the other vehicle in the same manner it was just explained to you and select it. Once you do that, you will see the DealerSocket adds both vehicles to the opportunity, but forces you to choose one of the choices to be the primary vehicle of interest. To do this, simply click on the top right triangle image and switch it from gray to red. Now let's suppose that the vehicle your customer wishes to purchase is not in your inventory and you need to do a dealer trade or factory order. Don't worry, you should still add the vehicle, but you'll need to do it in a slightly different way. Start by clicking the three dots next to the search bar and choose Not in Stock. This window will appear, and the minimum you need to complete are the first 5 fields: new or used, year, make, model, and trim. If you're working a pre-owned deal where the customer wishes to find a vehicle between a certain year range, just pick the newer of the two and type it in. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. When you're done, click Save. Here's a quick tip. If you wish to add more information, although not necessary, you're certainly welcome to do it. But only do so if you want to be able to target your customer down the road with specific campaigns, as each of these form fields are ways to narrow down targeting lists. For example, if you have a customer that only buys blue trucks for his business and no other color, you can actually add blue to the exterior color and target this customer in the future when you have a surplus of blue trucks. That's how this works. Without that information, you wouldn't be able to target that customer specifically. After you hit Save, the vehicle of interest looks like this.